Now, of course, which is mostly known by everyone, if you have an interrogative sentence, you must end it with a question mark. Like, did you see the exhibit about lightning? Okay, here it's a question. From where we know it's a question? From the word did, okay, which is a helping verb that shows the sentence is in the past, so it's a question. Okay, also questions can start with WH question, like where do you live? Okay, how could you come here? Okay, when is your plane? Okay, so all of these are also questions starting with WH words. Okay, use a question mark after a word or a phrase that asks a question. Even sometimes don't have even a question, a complete one, but you have just a word, like I would like to go along with you. When? So here when, okay, imply that it's a question, so we add a question mark. Okay, exclamation marks are used in exclamatory sentences, okay, that express and show strong emotions and feelings. Look out for that tree. So here you are showing a strong feeling, so here it's an exclamatory sentence. Some of you can consider it an imperative sentence because it starts with a verb and it gives a command for someone to go away from the tree, but here it's a danger, so you are warning someone to go away from a danger, so here it's an exclamatory sentence. Okay, I will not. Also here it appears to us that it's a declarative sentence, but because it expresses a strong feeling, so it ends with an exclamatory mark or exclamatory ending mark. Okay, now use an exclamation mark after an imperative sentence that show forceful or urgent command, like don't burn the eggs. Okay, here even it looks like an imperative sentence, but it shows a strong or an urgent command, so it ends with an exclamation mark. Hurry up, the same idea. But if the command or the order is not strong one, so simply end it with a period, like we have discussed before, like put the salad in the refrigerator. So this is here is not showing any strong or urgent command, so here we don't add an exclamation mark, we just end it with a period. Okay, this is the same idea we dealt with. The last thing about using exclamation marks is when we use interjections, and interjections are words or letters that show feelings of sorrow, of sadness, of happiness, of excitement, of joy, or any other. Like if you say, oh, you spoiled the recipe. Okay, so here after the interjection, okay, we add the exclamation mark. Okay, another thing was stop, you are going too fast, so here also stop here is considered to be an interjection, and we add an exclamation mark after it. So far we covered the punctuation and ending marks. We have three types. We have the period, we have the question mark, and the exclamation mark. We say that we use periods at the end of a declarative sentence, at the end of an imperative sentence, and the end of an indirect question, and we use it in abbreviations. Okay, for question marks we use them in direct questions, okay, that start with a WH question or a helping verb. Okay, for exclamation marks we use them at the end of an exclamatory sentence or at the end of a command that is urgent or expressing a strong feeling or strong